Hello, hello. Welcome to music. It's good to see you today. Let's get right to it. Today we're going to learn about a word in music called tempo. Now, hopefully some of you will remember we've learned a little bit about tempo in past years. Today we're going to try to learn a few more things about tempo. The word is to use to describe tempo and some of the words for if we want to change the tempo in a song, okay? So let's start with our saying. I'll say it, you say it back to me. Tempo is the speed. How fast, how slow. Your turn. Tempo is the speed. How fast, how slow. Good. Tempo in music tells us the speed of the music. Do we want the song to go fast? Do we want the song to go slow? Do we want it somewhere in the middle? Okay, there's a whole range of tempos. Every song you listen to, I want you to think about it this week. Is that a fast tempo? Is it slow tempo? Is it somewhere in the middle? What word would I use to describe that tempo? Okay, so let's start with a little listening, just easy to start with. I want you to tell me, is this song fast or is it slow? We'll start with the easy ones, okay? So is it fast or is it slow? So listening ears on, please remember your good listening ears so everyone has the same chance to listen and think about what they're hearing. Then I'll get you to answer for me in just a minute. So listen to this, don't shout it out. Would you say this song is fast or slow? What do you think? What's the tempo of that song? Slow. Good. I hope you said slow. The steady beat of that song was moving slowly. Okay, listening ears, listen to this one. Tell me what you think. Ready? Listen first. What was the tempo of that song? Fast. The tempo, the steady beat, was moving fast on that example. Good. Now, I'm going to play a little song on the piano for you. Okay, you're going to recognize it, I'm sure. And I'm going to play it with 3 different tempos. Okay, so here goes tempo number 1. I'm going to play it slowly. Ready? Slowly. That was a slow tempo, moving slowly. Here's the same song again, played medium. Okay, same notes, same rhythm, same song, just played medium tempo. Okay, one last time, same notes, same song, but now I'll play it fast. Okay, Twinkle Twinkle or the ABC song, slow, medium, fast. Okay, now let's use some words, some music words to describe those tempos that we've been listening to. Okay, so some fancy vocabulary for you today. Let's start with this one here, adagio. Adagio means slow. Okay, here's the back of the flashcard for you. Slowly. Adagio, slow. Another word for slow is largo. You'll see that one a lot, largo. Largo means slow. Adagio means slow. So if I say, what is the tempo? You could use this word, adagio, or you could say largo. Those both mean slow. Okay? Now, if the composer, the person who wrote the music, wants it to be just a little bit faster than slow, they might use this word. This word says andante. Andante. Okay? That means walking, a walking speed, a walking tempo. Okay? So moving along is what the flashcard says. The word actually means walking. So we think about the steady beat. Okay, if you were out taking a walk, but you weren't in a very big hurry, you're just walking along, okay, that might be as fast as your feet would be going. That would be about the speed that the composer would be telling you to make your steady beat. Okay, andante, or walking speed. Here's another word for us, moderato. Moderato means somewhere in the middle. Okay, not too fast, not too slow. Medium, moderato, moderato. Surprisingly, not really, it means moderately, moderately. Not too fast, not too slow, just moderately, somewhere in the middle. Okay? Now, if we want it to go a little faster, or the composer does, he might put a word like allegro. Allegro. That means fast or quickly. Quickly, happily. Okay, is what allegro means. Quickly, happily. Another word we might see for fast, and it would be even faster than allegro, would be presto. Presto. That means fast or lively. Presto. Okay, to move it fast. So, now how do we know if we have these words, how do we know that my adagio is the same as your adagio? Maybe I think it should go slower. Maybe you think adagio is a little bit faster. Well, sometimes in music, that's okay for the musician to interpret, to think about what the composer meant and what they wanted. Okay, so the musician that's playing the song has a little bit of ability to choose how fast or slow adagio really means. Now, adagio can't be played and shouldn't be played as fast as allegro or moderato, okay? But we also use a tempo marking with a number, okay? That's another way to get it exactly the same speed. So you might see a number written on the top of music, and that would tell you how many beats per minute. So we'll talk about that part another day. But sometimes a composer will give you a number, and that means they very specifically want it to be just this speed, okay? But so anyway, so the describing words, we're going to go over them one more time. For tempo, adagio means slow, okay? Also we said largo can mean slow. Largo means slow. Andante means walking tempo, or walking speed, okay? Moderato means moderately or in the middle, somewhere in the middle, okay? Allegro means fast. Allegro means fast, quickly, okay? And then we said presto. Presto means even faster. All right, I have just two more for you today, so stay with me. Stay with me. We'll review them. No, not to worry. Okay, now what if in the middle of a song, my song starts out about andante, okay, but I decide somewhere towards the end, I want it to go a little bit slower. I want it to slow down as we get to the end, okay? I might use a marking like this, okay? Ritardando is what it says, ritardando. That means to gradually slow down. Okay, so think about at the ending of a song a lot of times it's very common that the song slows down as it ends. Okay, the word to describe that is called ritardando. To slow down, to gradually slow down. Okay, now, what if I decide I want it to go back to the way it was? I slowed down a little bit, but now I want it to go back to the way it was. I might see this marking. It's an A, but we say ah tempo, ah tempo. That means to go to the original, to what it started as, the original tempo. Resume the original tempo. So go back to the original speed that it was. Okay, so those two words to describe a change in the tempo, we could slow down, gradually slow down as a ritardando. Go back to the original tempo, we say ah tempo. Ah tempo, go back to the original. Okay, so today we talked and learned about the speed of music. The speed of music is called the tempo. So if we're listening to a song and we think, what is the tempo of this song? We're going to use words that tell us fast or slow or somewhere in the middle to describe the tempo or the speed.